Hey guys, welcome back to Growing 101.
Have you ever had a harvest that you're drowning in for weeks but then have nothing the next month?
This is the problem that succession planting solves.
And peas are one of the best crops to practice on.
So what is succession planting?
Succession planting is when you plant small batches on a scheduled time instead of doing everything at once. Succession planting gives you a steady trickle of harvest instead of one giant wave. So why are peas so good for succession planting?
Well, they're fast maturing and many are ready in under 60 days. They're cool season crops, so they're perfect for that early spring planting itch.
And varieties like Sugar Sprint are bred to mature quickly, so they're perfect for succession.
If one batch fades in the heat, the next batch is already coming up. So here's how you do it.
Direct sow the first batch, 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep.
Space seeds 3 to 4 inches apart, with rows 12 to 24 inches apart.
I like to set a reminder in my phone to plant the next batch 1 to 2 weeks after the first batch.
You repeat this in the full spring weeks and then again in early fall.
Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Number 1, obviously planting the whole seed packet at once. This defeats the entire purpose of succession planting.
Second one is forgetting to go out and plant the next round.
Number 3, skipping support. Even compact varieties do well with light trellising, and if you want to learn how to make your own trellises, check out our last video.
Number 4 is not harvesting enough. Picking frequently helps keep the harvest coming.
So in conclusion, succession planting turns your pea patch into a steady supply and not one overwhelming dump.
Grab an early variety like the Sugar Sprint to build the habit today.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite varieties are for succession planting.
Click the link in the description to grab your peas at trueleafmarket.com.
Bye.
Bye.